Hi guys, it wasn't the microphone, so let me introduce myself. I'm Giuseppe, member of Pentagon Trading, this channel that we are doing English live streaming in the afternoon. We basically trade everything. We are five professional trading Forex, indexes, all kind of stuff from DXY and VIX and energies, metals. So basic and stock market. So basically, whatever you can find it in our Discord community. I'm gonna set the chat that I don't find actually here. So let me just see where it can be. Just a second. So I don't know why I don't have the chat in here, but I will try to see it. It's okay. I will see it from my phone. So basically, we are into Dow Jones shorting now. Right now, we are shorting the gold. Basically, a very nice short called by yesterday, and again today a second entry. We closed it the first short here, and then the second one we opened it on the top, expecting to go lower than this. So we close. I have opened multiple accounts, so I'm going to right now follow it to close a partial on these lows. I am currently holding 70 ounces of gold, and I'm shorting Nasdaq from yesterday. Yesterday we made a top entry around 13 and 104.5. So now I'm looking at volumes and seeing that the gold has to break the 2009 to try to go down. We have a good short volumes, probably stop losses of the longs, and all this movement this morning was an accumulation of liquidity down here. So we are gonna see now mitigation of this liquidity, and then let's see what is going on. If there will be a little pullback, then we are going out. If not, we keep running the trend. Very nice. Expecting 1987, but not sure it's gonna happen today. Of course, good for our situation that we have the DXY heading up. So I expecting it to go upper, at least trying to reach the 100, 102 and 3. So we set an alert there, and then trying to shoot up on the support weekly resistance at the moment. So let's go now look, give another look on the stock market. As I said, we are short Microsoft from yesterday. We got an entry right here. I'm gonna show it to you. This is on my FTMO account. We got an entry right here. Where is Microsoft? Right here up at 286 on the opening. Then we sold some shares around here, and now we have 10 shares left. So opening basically in gap down in the pre-market, so we're gonna drop down our 5 shares more, and then we're gonna keep the rest running. And let's see, of course, if we can add on it. So right now we are 8 minutes to go, and yeah, so let's go to see some analysis. Allora, let's see, basically about cyclical analysis. That's what I'm basically mostly using with more stuff. I can see that we are now, this is the daily chart, I think. Let's second, let me organize this. Yes, so Microsoft, it's here. So Microsoft yesterday, it was having a good pattern, and we used it for basically shorting it on the low. Then we are in now, cyclical talking. We are closing a monthly inverse that can be the last one of an entire cycle of market. That can be a yearly cycle. Okay, so we have the first half year cycle and then the second one. So of course, a kind of cycle like this can give a lot of push on the downside. So that is what we are expecting on also Nasdaq and S&P and all the indexes around, except for the, also we are expecting that from the European indexes, but they are lating a little bit. They are a little bit quite strong, respecting like they are holding more respect the USA. So right now I'm expecting to at least reach 272, so that is gonna keep the 5 shares for, and of course we're gonna ride the trend downwards if we are having more occasion to do it. So basically yesterday we closed a cycle probably here, I can think, after a move down. So opening down means retesting it, and then we are gonna probably add short after getting out. Or we can I'm not sure. I will just check the opening how it's going to be, and if I see some kind of continuation, then I'm gonna short again. Eyes on the Nasdaq, that is important to control in this situation. But basically that is what I'm expecting. I don't have any clear it's not so much clear the situation right now here, but once the inverse is closed, then probably this is going down, more down. So actually yesterday the target, it was this one as a confirmation of a new cycle starting from the top, and then this one as a confirmation of a new monthly inverse cycle starting. So I'm gonna just right now shoot out some partial here, take some profits. So always good to take some profit, guys. Never let too much. Okay, we close this, and then we're gonna let it's okay this, and then I'm gonna take it also from the other accounts that I'm currently trading, because I don't want to have any strange stuff happening right now. So sorry, 1 second. Then this, okay. Then we got also this account. Yeah, this, and okay. So just a sec. Okay, so now I haven't now let's pass to the Tesla. Okay, Tesla, yesterday I was looking for basically shorting it, but I didn't have the occasion here, so I let it go. and now we can check basically where it finished the cycle. The cycle basically ended here. Let me check if this low is lower. 78, 70, 80, 77, 78, exactly. So this cycle is ended here. So now we are still opening down. So on a retest, Tesla also is a name that I can short. Basically, the point is that we are a little bit late, so maybe I'm gonna skip it. And yeah, for Tesla is like this. So inverse is closing here. It's still not closed probably, or it is done here, but it has condition here to be closed as well. So let's see. We need to wait to see in the opening. Apple still opening down. Apple actually is a little bit better, in a better situation to short it basically, because 9 we are 50 bar. Let me just check this. Okay, this closed here, then we have 27. Perfect. So what can happen is that we can have a little bit a little pullback, because anyway we have condition to start a new weekly cycle, but we have a swing high very far, so it can probably happen that we update the lows to then actually pull back. Actually we have till 11 days, so there is still time to go. Here probably we close another inverse on this point, or we close it here and then we close another one here. Yes, so Apple is in a better position. If it may go down this low, then I may shorted it, and after, of course, let's see if we try to fill the gap. If we have a little pullback, then we short it surely if it goes down here. So we're gonna set an alert right here, and let's see, the pre-market also down. So 2 minutes to go. We need to be ready to give a look at Microsoft. Then let's go on Meta. Meta, I didn't wanted to look at yesterday because it was really messy, but right now we know as well that is a good this is a good trade also for shorting it, because we are kind of after this we have time. So in case of a pullback, then I'm gonna enter short also on Tesla. So I'm gonna sign it red. Tesla no, Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. Now let's check to Amazon. Amazon as well, same situation. Amazon also is basically will open down. So if now we have a certain number before the 21, let's 20. Yeah, this is not a good setup. I could actually enter short if I want, but I'm not feeling so. So Amazon not. We focus on just on certain setups. Then we have Netflix. Netflix as well has done something like this. Then it closed here down, and now we are opening here. We don't have much time, but okay, Microsoft opened. Yes, let me check. Microsoft M down. We drop 5 shares more and take profit. So we keeping the rest, stop loss break even, and keep running. Let's see if what does Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is pulling back, and basically I'm going to short it more if it reach this area. Same as Nasdaq is no at all like trying to pull back. It's just staying now on the 12,900. So let's see Apple. Apple is good. She's trying to fill the gap. Then let's see how also Nasdaq is reacting to it. But if it's filling the gap, then I'm trying the short with a little stop loss. Let's see if there is continuation on Microsoft as well. Nice gap down. Probably here, I don't know what actually exactly happened. It's really hard to divide cycles in this way, but it's okay. It can be a really a fake down and then here. So basically, if Microsoft is gonna do a pullback, also this I'm gonna short it. So I'm gonna set an alert on the top, and then let's see. Nasdaq is heading down. Is 1200. Is 12,885 right now. So good for us. We are shorting from the tops. So let's see. Nice move. Now let's see if basically we can be bottom down. No, we are not. 1 2 3 4 5 9. So we're just riding it. SP500. SP500, I'm going to short down this low as well. So once the alert ring, I'm gonna short. So let me write SP500 here, and if the market goes lower than this level, then I'm gonna enter short. Here, yes. So I'm gonna sell for now five. It's about 20 points stop loss. So yeah, I'm gonna sell 5 of them on the breakdown. So let's see. Nasdaq 12,870 breaking the lows. Let's may fall all today. So Apple, I'm gonna enter first here down if in breakdown, and is a stop loss of basically $2 circa, yeah, per shares, $3 per shares. So let me write Apple, and gonna sell yeah, I'm gonna enter with 25 shares, not much but enough for my goals on this account. So sell stop, and let's go. Let's see if we can feel it. Okay, Nasdaq going down, tech very weak. Amazon 100, but we say this out of time. Google as well is looking good. If Google goes lower than 104, then I may go short if there is time. Dow Jones trying to pull back right now. Let's put double screen so we follow all of them. Let me remove this, and we are good. So Google, we set an alert. Apple under 16177. Just let me for okay. So 12,850 for Nasdaq. We're gonna move stop profit on 12,977 in case the market wants to pull back hard, but I doubt about it. Very good Microsoft, very happy of the trade we made. It was a good call. Trying to pull back for the gold. Come some volumes around 2011. Also the DX is pulling back. Dow Jones going down. Finally going down. So let's check on it. We have a couple of position opened. Yeah. So let me look at S&P also, because it's almost going. So let me sell also here 0.4, and let's see what happens. Uh, Apple, Apple is holding, but I'm kind of looking also at the gap. So I mean, if it tries to close the gap, then I'm probably shorting it from there. Google seeming strong, trying to go up, trying to fool some people. But yeah, basically I think is going to drop everything today about the tech. If there is not a pullback by Nasdaq, then even if Google looks strong, it's it's half percentage point in up. Nvidia, also Nvidia has a enormous gap down, and also today. So let's see, we are not filled on S&P. Still running the gold, hoping there is no strange pullback on it. But yeah, that's about now, and let's Amazon are 21 bars. Yeah, there is no, it can bounce anytime. Microsoft trying to pull back to filling the gap, but Microsoft, I think, if I'm said wrong, I need to write it down so I don't forget. Basically Microsoft is again bonded to go lower, so he's going basically to fill the gap if manage, and then to keep this way down if there is not a fake move. So we're gonna add on 284 and 26. See. So yeah, just 1 second guys, I will see if there is anyone. Let me check S&P. S&P not yet. I think it is like 407,256. Yeah, it's bonded. Let's go. We hoping to get the gap 20 points. Let's kill it. Let's go check now also here S&P 500. We are in the money. US 30 cash, we are $30, 34 point up, 35 point here on two brokers. Microsoft trying to bounce back, but it's not managing. So let's go to see what's going on.